Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a how to style t-shirts, like old band tees for your wardrobe. I have 3 band tees that I'm going to show you today. We're going to start off with this one. This is the old one I have. It's a Barack to the Future. I got it from Urban Outfitters. And this one I'm going to use to style how I used to style band tees. So like the basic way I used to style band tees. And then I have these 2, which I got from Missguided. This one is a Purple Rain by Prince, and this one is a Rolling Stone by Rolling Stone, like the band. So these are old band tees that I own. Now, this lookbook isn't meant to be a go buy all this stuff. You can go to your local thrift store and try to find an old band tee. You can take a tee you have at home and kind of like repurpose it for the purposes of like you wearing it and styling it multiple different ways. So we're gonna get into the styling. So initially I would always wear my band tees with like motor jacket, mini skirt, some strappy heels, and or some black denim, like long high-waisted denim, and maybe some thigh-high boots. So those were the old ways I used to style band tees. So it was kind of like an all-black, slightly grungy-esque look, and it was like black on black. And nothing is wrong with this. I'm just trying to enhance the way I style my pieces by elevating it with like different looks. Into ways I style band tees differently. So one thing I think is really fun is incorporating texture. So these are some satin pants that I have that I used to style a band tee with a denim jacket. So you have the different types of textures that we are combining to give it kind of like a soft, edgy look, and that was fun. Another way I styled band tees was doing tomboy chic look, even though, you know, gender's fluid. So I took some boyfriend shorts that are distressed and I put a white blazer with it, mixed that up, and then I put on some strappy heels, and that, my friends, was a look. Another way I styled the band tees was a sporty look. I did a pair of bicycle shorts with a long line blazer, a sage green color, so I thought it was fun because it's like a pop of color that peeks out and takes out some of the blue from the Rolling Stone tee, and some bicycle shorts. Now I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. I don't wear bicycle shorts in public. I do not. No, it's not a look for me. I appreciate it on other people, but I feel uncomfortable in it in public, and I feel like go outside with, you know, with your best foot forward. So it's not for me, but it's a good look. It was just kind of like an example to show you guys. I had was, I took this dress I had from Lulu's. It's kind of like a, what's the neck called? It's a cowl neck, so it's a scoop neck satin dress, but I didn't want to wear it that way, so I put the band tee over it. I tied a little knot and had it as like a satin skirt to wear with the band tee, and that was a fun little look. I took this green skirt and I took this gold chain belt and I put the tee together, and it was a fun, girly, ghetto fabulous, you know, in the funnest way type of look. And that was all of the looks I had for this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any comments, let me know down below in the comment section. I'm only going to really leave links below for the 2 tees that are still available. Hopefully they're still available. And I'll put those in the description box below. Everything in this video is purchased by me. Again, this video wasn't so you could go out and buy stuff. It's just take stuff you have in your closet, try to repurpose it, and find fun ways to wear it. Yes, and also a side note, like almost all the accessories again are from Shein and like H&M-ish, but mainly Shein. But so that's it. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Hey, Hot Girl Summer Part 2. I got the lighting a little better this time, so yeah, thank you guys.